The cabinet is the fundamental building block in EasyForm Studio. Any transformations you apply, such as resizing or rotating, automatically affect all its components, shelves, doors, drawers, and other elements. All related dimensions are recalculated automatically whenever you adjust the cabinet's width, height, or depth. Let's try it out by adding a few shelves. Click the Shelf button or use Shift plus H to add horizontal shelves, and Shift plus V to add vertical shelves. Next, let's add legs. Increase the thickness of the top board, change the joint type, and add some overflow. There are several ways to change cabinet dimensions. You can open Properties in the header, which gives you access to basic cabinet settings, or open the sidebar, which provides complete cabinet properties. To adjust a specific dimension, simply select any element of the cabinet and edit its values. You can enter an exact measurement, such as 850 millimeters, or relative adjustments like plus 15 millimeters or plus 5 centimeters. When you make these changes, all cabinet elements are recalculated automatically, allowing you to work in the way that suits you best. Another method is scaling, which is useful when you want a cabinet to fill a specific gap. For this, make sure the entire cabinet is selected, not just one of its elements. You can scale along a specific axis using the operators, or by pressing S followed by the axis key, for example X. Then move your mouse to adjust the size. If snapping is enabled, the cabinet will resize automatically when it reaches the edge of another element. This gives you flexible and precise control over your cabinet dimensions.